afternoon, good evening. Welcome back, wherever part in the world you are. You know, it's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet at it. And today is going to be a nice day. It's going to be a lovely cook up we have here for you. And today what we're going to be cooking, we'll be cooking stew beef and pumpkin rice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, you know, because without your support, you know, we'll be still sitting in one place, you know. We value every single one of you, you know. Just remember to hit that subscribe button and touch that notification bell. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare our beef, you know, a bit smaller. We're gonna cut them in small chunks. You know, many people do pepper steaks, but these are not the ideal beef for peppered steak. Yeah, so I'll be doing a stew beef. So let's cut this into small pieces. You know, so let me cut up these beef in small cubes, then I'll come back. Yeah, so welcome back again. Just washed my beef ready for seasoning, and I'm gonna show you what seasoning I'll be using for my beef. But don't forget, whatever board you have used for your meat, make sure you don't use it for your vegetable. Always remember that. And I'm using some ground provision, some scallion, known as spring onion. Just chop these fine, and just be careful when you're chopping your scallions or your ground provision. Here we are again. That onion really did my eyes, man. So here we are now again. If you hear me sniffing, that's the onion. Right, so I've got some fresh thyme. Here we are again. Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. So here we are now, combining all our seasoning in our meat. I tell you what, put that spoon away. Let's get in there with your hand. So here we are again. You have seen how we have season our beef for stew, and now we're gonna prepare our pumpkin for our pumpkin rice. If you have never yet tried pumpkin rice at home, you know, you can watch this video very carefully. First of all, you have to peel your pumpkin off. I've peeled those already. My pumpkin is already washed, you know, very clean, dried. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be cutting our pumpkin into small cubes. You know. So let me do this and then come back and show you when we'll be putting it in our pot. So here we are again. Cook and Inspire in the kitchen as always. Yeah man, all my loyal supporters fans. So here we are now. If you can come a bit closer, my video lady, because you know say coming in the kitchen is thing normal, you know. You know say she can eat all of this pumpkin rice when it's finished. So here we have our pumpkin washed and everything. Well diced up. Over here we've got some mixed herbs that we chopped up, some scallions and some garlic, some chili, yes, and some onions. Yeah, so we're going in. So here we are. All you need to do is tip a bit of oil. So some cooking oil. I've got extra virgin coconut oil from Grace. I'm telling you, all these companies gotta start paying me for a promotion, you know, because I've used all of their products. Grace coconut oil, 100% Jamaican coconut oil. I'm telling you, when you're cooking, I can't find this in Britain, in England. No way, I can't find this. So whenever I go to Jamaica, I always bring back bottles of oil.
This commercial was brought to you by...
Catch up on the next slide. And all you need to do is just tip just a little bit in your pot. I'm telling you, you don't need no seasoning whatsoever when you use that Grace coconut oil. So here we are now. I'll be going in with my pumpkin, which I already diced. So don't forget now. Careful, mind you burn yourself. I think I've just burned up my camera lady, you know, but never mind.
Calling injury lawyers for you.
Yes, so here we are again. It's time for our liquid to go into our pumpkin so that our rice can go in our pot. So if you take a look in my pot, you can see I've sauteed the pumpkin a bit, you know, not too soft, but just a little bit, just to get us flavor. So what I'll be doing, I'll be going in with my liquid, which is my water. My kettle is already boiled. As you can see, let's bring it up. I'll be using around 6 to 7 cups of rice. Yeah. So get your water in there. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get some more water. And as we bring that up to a boil, as it comes up to a boil and all those flavor, you can taste your water, your liquid in the pot to see if you needed salt or if you needed a bit more seasoning for your pumpkin rice, because you don't want your rice to be fresh. Yeah, so let's taste this. So what I'll be doing, I'll be tasting my pot. Yeah, so I'll be tasting the water. To me, that is lovely. All I needed in that is just a bit of butter, and I'll be using a bit of vegetable oil. The reason for using my vegetable oil is to stop my rice sticking together. That's a technique I learned from someone, you know, and it works. Definitely works. You know, I always get my rice sticky sometimes, especially if you're cooking a lot of rice. Then you always get it a bit clumpy. And if I started to put vegetable oil in my rice, you know, my rice becomes shelly. That's many of you may heard me talk about shelly rice all the time. That's my signature thing, my shelly rice. Let's give it a little stir. So let that, I bring that up to a boil for about 2 minutes, and then I put the rice in and let you see what's happening. Yes, so here we are. Our pumpkin rice water is bubbling up, as we call it back home, bubbling up. Well, it's actually boiling. Yeah, so my rice is ready. I've got 7 cups of rice. I've added an extra one, so in goes with our rice, which I already washed. Yes, get all those grains out. Once that's in, let's give it a little stir. So stir that. I'll mash some of the pumpkin out, and then I'll come back and I'll show you when I'll be putting in my beef to stew. So yes, people, if you come back here now, we look, it's time for our beef to go into our pot to stew. And if you look in my pot carefully, what you can see, I've got some brown stuff going on here. What I've done, I've put just 2 teaspoons of brown sugar in my pot with just a teaspoon of coconut oil. You know, look how nice and lovely that looks. You know, many people, we use it back in the days for browning if you haven't got browning, and it also helps with a bit of flavoring as well. Okay, you can see that good caramelization going on there. Look at that. Yeah. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be going in with my beef. So it's stew beef. So we're going in with our beef, and we're gonna bring that flame up. In with our beef. Yeah. And we're gonna mix that in. Wait and see when I come back, and I'll show you what's gonna happen. Yeah, so here we are again in our kitchen. We are in our final lap now. As you can see, the pumpkin rice is already done. Look how nice that is. Yeah, and our beef is just simmering at the moment. And now we're gonna prepare our vegetable for our stew beef. Over here we got our peppers we're gonna be using. That's our bell peppers. We got some green ones. Let's put this away for a bit. So we're gonna slice these in little strips, like, you know. I'll come back and show you when the sauce sliced up and everything, and when it's going in the pot. So here we are again, as I was showing you earlier on, our vegetable. If you can come, let's show you that. Our bell pepper, our carrots, our potatoes. So it's halfway done cooking, so we're gonna put everything in our stew beef. You know, so let's bring that up to high flame. It's on low at the moment, so I'll bring it up to high. And what I'll be doing, I'll be using my rinse my bowl out with all that seasoning. Put it in there, just a bit more. Just want to get the water up a bit, so when it simmers, you have that nice thick gravy going on in there. So look how lovely that it looks. You know, look how lovely that looks. So another 20 minutes and this should be done. You know, what I'll be doing also, let's come over here. Let's have a look. I'll be going in with a tomato. You know, I don't want to slice it too small. You know, just a bit of tomato. There you go. In goes our tomato. Give that a look of stir. Leave that there for another 20 to 15 minutes. Let it simmer down, come down to gravy, and I'll come back and show you. When I lift the lid next time, you'll see that thickness of that gravy from that stew beef. Yeah, so don't go nowhere, stay right there. Served. Yes. And over here we got some vegetable that we have steamed, you know. just put a little bit of butter in the pot and I steam it, our cabbage and carrots and beans. Yeah. So let's cover that up for a bit, you know, because it's almost finished. And over here we got our stew beef. Yeah man, look on that. Lovely and nice. Look how sweet that looks. You know, all potato and carrot and all those nice color going on there. Yeah, so it's all done now. So we're gonna plate up and then come back and show you what it looks like in the plate itself. You know, because you don't want to say, when Chef Garnet plate up the food and put it down. It's not normal, it's not a normal thing. So me I say, yes, cook and inspire, Chef Garnet at it again. I'm telling you, friends and family. Here we have it now. I've promised you to deliver, and now I have delivered. Look at it. Brown stew beef with pumpkin rice. As you always know, my presentation is always up and gunning. Yeah man, our thing is not normal. Yes? Until next time when I drop the next video, I'm gonna show you the next cook up. It's Cook and Inspire in the kitchen with Chef Garnet at it again. And you might pick up all the loyal support of them. You know, pick up, you know, my wife, she always help me out in the kitchen. Some of you may not see her in the videos, but let's not see her. You want to play a vital part in the kitchen too. But she loves to eye, but here it is. Look how lovely that is. Look how lovely. Our brown stew beef pumpkin rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell